Have you ever found yourself trapped in endless loops of thoughts, analyzing every little detail, replaying conversations, or worrying about the future? This is called overthinking, and it affects millions of people. But why do some people overthink constantly, and what can you do to stop? Today, we'll explore the psychology behind overthinking and give practical strategies to take control of your mind. Overthinking usually starts with the brain's attempt to solve problems and anticipate outcomes. People who overthink tend to be perfectionists or highly self-aware. They replay past events or imagine future scenarios trying to predict every possible outcome. This constant analysis can seem productive, but it often leads to stress, indecision, and emotional fatigue. Several factors trigger overthinking: fear of making mistakes, lack of confidence, past negative experiences, or even anxiety. Our brains are wired to look for threats and patterns, so overthinkers unintentionally magnify risks. Understanding these triggers is the first step in breaking the cycle of excessive rumination. Overthinking is more than just annoying. It can impact mental health, relationships, and productivity. People who overthink often experience indecision, sleep problems, and stress. They may avoid taking action because they fear imperfect outcomes, which can stall personal and professional growth. The first step to stopping overthinking is awareness, noticing when you start spiraling into endless thoughts. Next, redirect your focus to actions rather than endless analysis. Techniques like journaling, mindfulness meditation, and deep breathing can calm your mind. Setting time limits for decisions and breaking tasks into smaller steps can also reduce mental overload. Reframing thoughts is crucial. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, think about what can I do now? Challenge negative assumptions and replace them with constructive actions. Overthinkers often benefit from external perspectives. Talk to a friend or mentor to gain clarity and validation. Overthinking is a natural tendency, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding why it happens, recognizing triggers, and practicing mental strategies, you can stop overthinking and focus on what really matters. Take small steps daily, and gradually you'll feel lighter, more confident, and more in control of your mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, taking control of your mind starts with awareness, action, and patience. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep practicing these strategies for a healthier, more peaceful mindset.